Hello, I am here showing off my work in progress for my Goober's Snack Quest level. I've only made 2 levels so far. It's like a bunch of levels in a level, or it's going to be. And I'm working on retexturing stuff. The story is basically the same as Quest for Croissant, except it's not just a croissant, it's all of Goober's snacks. Satan's gone and stole all of Goober's snacks and scattered them around. And now he's gotta go get them back! This is the first level. It's not very good because I'm not good at level design, but I tried my best. Fuck. So I put a lot of effort into spriting all the goblins over the Goombas. And Goober's a plant, so he grows from nitrogen. It's a whole thing. I don't know why I keep making that noise like I'm putting effort into that jump, even though I technically am, because I'm pushing down really, really hard on the controller. But I don't know why. But, this is also an NPC from Quest for Croissant that I just sort of put a sprite over the hammer bro. He's throwing knives, because he's supposed to be a purple guy reference. You get the chili pepper, come devil, or little impy Goober. These little tiptoeing goblins that don't fall off the edge, I like that a lot. I'm quite proud of that. The worms? I don't know why they have arms. Shit. I should probably readjust that a little bit. Because that's kind of annoying that I couldn't get those 2. I actually did this level after I did the other level, which I'll show you in a bit, but it's not connected to this level yet, so I'll just have to leave and go again. As you can see, the wing doesn't really attach to the goblin correctly, but I'm alright with that. Hypothetically, I could edit the wing sprite, but that's just a whole thing. And I will eventually, but I could edit it to be in the right place, but they wouldn't fit for all of the sprites, for all of the enemies, so... I'll just leave it, because I'm gonna die again. So there isn't that much going on in this level, but it is just the first level. I'm hoping I figure out how to make it a bit more high stakes later on. Ah, damn it. I'm currently struggling with checkpoints, because it seems you can only do 1 checkpoint per level. And I kind of need one at the end of every section. You know? Originally there was a checkpoint here, but... And then you would move on to the second bit. But that's not what I'm here to show. So let's go to menu. And go here. So if I put this to room 1. I do suck. I actually haven't played this in a few hours, so I don't really remember how it goes. This is a tight timing, goddamn. And you can see the little lava bubble guys have stupid fucking faces. I like that a lot. can pop through here for a checkpoint. It's a secret. Some nitrogen. And there's Satan. Oh shit. So another secret. There is a chili pepper there. So now, I just have to survive Satan. I didn't survive Satan. I don't know if you did notice or anything. You know, it fell off the edge. I want to replace the jump sound with the sound of like a spring. But I feel like that might get kind of obnoxious. Not like the normal jumping sound isn't already kind of obnoxious, to be fair. Okay. I don't know if this is just genuinely hard or I just suck. Or maybe a mix of both. I think this is not terrible level design. Maybe the reliance on small platforms is a little bit obnoxious. I feel like if I had a life system here, I would be kind of miserable, like dying a lot and losing all my lives, and that would be frustrating. But I don't have any such restrictions here. And I don't imagine anybody who plays this themselves, if I even end up releasing this, will have either. So. Okay, there he is. Not even faced it the wrong way. Ah, never mind. The coins are different on every theme. Yay! And it's the croissant. Yeah, so that's all that. I'm quite proud of it, but I think it definitely does need some improvement. I'm not looking forward to having to do the tile sets, because I'm good in air quotes at spriting characters. Not so much as spriting tiles. Anyway,